So it's a Seekh Kebab corn dog.
Miss Nashville herself, the one and only Maneet Chauhan, our TOC Season 2 champ. What is going on right here?
So right over here, this is my tester. This is for the corn dog.
For the Seekh Kebab corn dog, I take some cream cheese. Now, the cream cheese is a very important ingredient because it's going to prevent the corn dog from getting too dry because it's going to be cooked twice. There is some fenugreek leaves that I add to it. Then there is a Seekh Kebab mix and salt. I take some ground goat meat. Goat is the most popular red meat that you get in India, and it's one of my favorite proteins. I add some panko, some egg. Then I add flavorings in terms of chopped cilantro, chopped mint, ginger garlic paste, which I make in the mortar and pestle. Mix this together, take some of the minced meat and thread it on the skewers. And then I put it on a hot plancha, making sure not to cook it through and through because deep frying is going to be critical. Then I go ahead and make the honey mustard mint sauce. I put some Dijon mustard, some honey, some horseradish, salt, pepper, some chopped mint, and some dried mint powder called pudina masala, and mix all of them together.
Speaking of not simple and probably going to be really outstanding, what in the wide world of sports is going on here?
The dish is mincemeat, which is flavored with different spices, and in India we call it kebabs. I take the pre-made dosa batter. Dosa batter is a fermented batter made with white lentils and rice, which have been soaked overnight. I take the Seekh Kebab, dip it in the dosa batter, and put it in the fryer and let the dosa batter cook through and through.
So lots of flavor, crunch. I love that.
It was tender, it was juicy, it was creamy, it was grilled, it was fried, it was served with spicy mustard dipping sauce that she put some mint in. It was delicious.